My favorite thing about studying healthcare is how incredible the human body is. Once you start getting into like the biology of it and the physiology of how these things work, it blows my mind.
The health science broad field covers a wide range of things. Really, it's for students that are looking to go into some type of healthcare, usually registered nursing, dental hygiene, rad tech, sonography, something like that, and they want to get their prereqs done here at a lower cost at an institution that's smaller, going to have smaller class sizes, going to help them, stay on track with what they need to learn when they get into these kind of higher level classes within the medical field.
We teach a lot of courses that support students who want to go into health. So we have nutrition, human body systems, anatomy and physiology, and then we teach classes that are often geared to more of a general science student or a biology student. This is a program really geared for students that are looking to go into some specific health sciences fields. In particular, becoming a RN nurse, so a registered nurse. So by taking the health science broad field, you're hitting those prerequisite courses that you're going to need for these RN programs in our area.
I think the healthcare field is very stable, and I think that's one of the reasons why it's really attractive to a lot of students is having job stability, and then what you're doing, you're caring for people, and that's a really rewarding kind of pathway for people.
I absolutely love my instructor. She's so open, she's caring, she's understanding, she explains things. Her lectures are phenomenal. They take the time to listen to you, and I love that. Any concerns, problems, you can just pull back out, hey, I'm going through a hard time, this has been happening, and it's like they accommodate you, they help you, and I think it's just overall, I love the school.
I love St. Paul College because it's where we come together as a community. They are there to listen to you and also to help you out what you really want to study and what you want to be in future.
So, is this fragment bigger or smaller than this one? This first one is what?
My favorite thing about studying here at St. Paul College is the resources. I've had multiple different resources from the computer labs to the different lab classrooms to the science center. For the amount of money that you pay here at St. Paul College, you are getting a huge value. The resources, the teaching, you're getting way more for your money here. A nice resource they have here is pathway advising.
Pathway advisors really help students with planning out their time here while they're at St. Paul College, and then really helping them look at transferring if that's something that they want to do. We help them plan out their schedules, we help them with tools for being successful while they're here on campus, and we also help them connect them to other resources that they may need while they're here.
One thing I think we do great here in science at St. Paul College is making science accessible for any student, even if they come in with like zero science experience or maybe even bad science experiences maybe in the past. I think we do it better here.